Hello and welcome to Psoriasis on YouTube. We cover all things psoriasis on this channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date on all things psoriasis.
Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that primarily affects the skin, causing red, scaly patches that can be itchy and painful. While it commonly manifests on the scalp, elbows, and knees, it can also affect the nails, leading to a condition known as psoriatic nail disease. Managing psoriasis of the nails can be challenging, as conventional treatments may not always provide satisfactory results. However, there is growing interest in an unconventional remedy, Vicks Vaporub. Vicks Vaporub, a topical ointment primarily used to relieve cough and congestion, contains active ingredients such as camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol. While it's primarily marketed for respiratory relief, some individuals have reported success in using it to alleviate symptoms of psoriasis, particularly when it affects the nails. Psoriasis of the nails can cause various symptoms, including pitting, discoloration, thickening, and crumbling of the nails. It can significantly impact an individual's quality of life, causing discomfort and embarrassment. Traditional treatments for psoriatic nail disease may include topical creams, oral medications, or injections, but these approaches may not always be effective for everyone. The idea of using Vicks Vaporub for nail psoriasis stems from its reported anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. While there is limited scientific research specifically examining its efficacy for this condition, anecdotal evidence suggests that it may offer relief for some individuals. The menthol and eucalyptus oil in Vicks Vaporub may help soothe inflammation and reduce itching, while the camphor might provide a cooling sensation that can alleviate discomfort. So, how can you use Vicks Vaporub to treat psoriasis of the nails? Here's a simple guide. Cleanse the affected nails. Start by washing your hands or feet and thoroughly cleaning the affected nails to remove any dirt or debris. Trim the nails. Trim the nails carefully to remove any excess length and to reduce the risk of further irritation. Apply Vicks Vaporub. Using a cotton swab or your finger, apply a small amount of Vicks Vaporub directly to the affected nails. Make sure to cover the entire nail surface and gently massage the ointment into the nail bed. Cover if necessary. If desired, you can cover the treated nails with a bandage or adhesive strip to prevent the ointment from rubbing off onto clothing or bedding. Repeat as needed. Apply Vicks Vaporub to the affected nails once or twice daily, or as directed by your healthcare provider. Consistency is key to seeing potential improvements. While some individuals may experience relief from using Vicks Vaporub for psoriasis of the nails, it's essential to approach this remedy with caution. Since it's not specifically formulated for treating psoriasis, results may vary from person to person. Additionally, if you have sensitive skin or any known allergies to the ingredients in Vicks Vaporub, it's advisable to perform a patch test before using it extensively. Furthermore, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional if you're considering alternative treatments for psoriasis. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual condition and medical history. In conclusion, while Vicks Vaporub may offer a novel approach to managing psoriasis of the nails, more research is needed to validate its effectiveness. In the meantime, individuals seeking relief from this condition should explore various treatment options under the guidance of a healthcare provider. With patience and persistence, it's possible to find a regimen that works best for managing psoriatic nail disease and improving overall nail health.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up on all things psoriasis. Take care and be well.